another unboxing of a Suzuki. I think we got a 50A, what do we got here today? We have a 50 ATL2. So we are gonna unbox this 50 here, the Suzuki 50, for you to know what you get inside of this fine box here. We know there's metal in here. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what we got. Jason, my assistant here at hand, has already decided to shop through some stuff. Okay, as we pull the cardboard away, you are seeing 50. Your 50 comes not with a gas tank, but it comes with plastic, other stuff here. Here's the magic box right here. This is what you get inside your 50. Boom, look at that. Little instruction manual. Comes with your ends. You're gonna need these, don't lose these. Yeah. Okay. What do you got there?
Installation bolts.
Those go there. Should be good. Comes with some prop hardware. Looks like we've got a thrust washer, tassel, some nut washer, some other good stuff. For all your happiness to go through the lower cowling right here, rubber grommet. What's that? Steering arm.
Steering parts.
Yep, steering arm. Fuel bulb. Fuel bulb comes with it. And toolkit. That's right, your toolkit comes with this. That's all in there. Put this on this fine rig. Besides that, you're going to, let's get this out of the way. Going up. There she is. I'm gonna pull this fancy dancy thing off of here. Oh, look at that.
You do have to order a prop, right?
We'll get you a prop.
Sorry.
I think I have one actually, a prop that I work for. Cool. A lot of times what I like to do with my customers when they're getting, and they don't know what we're getting, we like to let them try some props, do some prop games. I know not every shop does that. I just like them to have the correct for what you have, because not every boat is built the same. People sit in different positions. Boats are bigger in the back and the front. Sometimes people put batteries up front. You can throw a 15 pitch or a 17 pitch or something on there, and it's just not going to be the right prop. So I like to keep some props around so we can just let guys try them, get them close, get them comfortable. That way they know when they're committing to a stainless prop or an aluminum prop, they're going to get what they want. So we'll get a prop on here for them, but Jason's going to take over from here. I'm going to get my butt back over there so I can get back to work and for another Suzuki that's coming. But Jason's going to finish this up. He'll take care of it for you, get you all the info you need there. So that's it. Peace out from Andy, giving it to Jason. Hope everybody has a good day. I'm gone.
Put a little caulk around the bolts so they don't leak in the boat. Steering arm instructions. The steering rod that connects the steering to the motor from the steering cable. It's gonna go right about in there. And steering is done now. Next. Pulling the power cable through the same hole that the harness is and the shifter cables are. So it can all be kind of uniform. So everything kind of goes together. We'll take the side cowling off so we can put the chip cables on and hook the power cables up and hook the wire harness up. One plug is all it takes. Looking at the throttle and the shift cable. I'm going to plug in the lowly power cord, the engine harness. They have the clip on the bottom, which seems a little silly to me. I would want to have it on the top so you could get at it easier, but we don't want to make it easier for the mechanic. Come on. They probably need to address this. I'm going to put some oil in, straighten these cables out and put some oil in it. And then we'll put some gas to her and we'll fire it up. Right about there. I'm going to put a battery in it and I'm going to hook water up to it. We don't have any gas, but there's gas in the motor just to make sure it starts. But I got to find the battery. Oh, here it is. Got an alarm, that's fun. Good to go. We're gonna get a fuel tank that has fuel in it and hook some water up to it and let her run a little bit. Check the shift and the throttle. And there's gas in it. Looks like 4-stroke. What are you doing now? Putting a piece on it, forgot to put on. The little sleeve that goes on here. This little cap goes on the end of the, keeps all the dirt out of the steering arm. Gonna make sure it has the proper amount of oil in it. It's not running out of the dipstick, so that's good. Yep, it's up to the top hole. We're good.
All right, so what we're doing is we're just trying to get him like a temporary prop, a prop that he can just go try. I'm gonna start with a 15 stainless, just for him for performance reasons. Pretty heavy bullet, but I think this is gonna be the right one for him. Get him out there, get him on the water, get him using it. Essentially, if he likes it, he can own it at a used price. So we're just putting the Suzuki stuff with the soulless equipment, and it's like a glove. So he'll be ready to go here in a little bit. There's your 50 Suzuki unboxing, brought to you by Andy and
Jason.
Have a good day.